If you have built your own steering wheel and want to use it to play games, you may encounter a situation where certain games do not support or detect your custom controller. In that case, we can use GIMX Adapter. To make the GIMX adapter, you need USB to serial converter and Arduino Pro Micro. Connect them both according to the circuit diagram. To upload the firmware on Arduino, open the GIMX launcher. Click on the Help and update the firmware. Select EMU G27 firmware and upload it. After the firmware is uploaded, open the GIMX launcher. Click on the file and open config directory. Here paste the MyLogitech driving force config file. You can find the link for this file in the video description. You can also edit the config file according to your requirements. In the button section, I mapped all the buttons to Logitech G27 game controller. You can add or modify these controls. And it is same for the axis panel. In the GMX launcher, select the correct COM port and config file. Click on the star to initiate the GIMX adapter. If you open the device manager on your computer, you should see Logitech G27 game controller. Now let's test it in the Forza Horizon 5.
In 400 meters, turn sharp left.